How to add a follow button on your LinkedIn profile. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add a follow button over to your LinkedIn profile. So the first thing you want to do is open up LinkedIn on your web browser, and then from there you can head over to your profile. Just click on your profile icon, and you will be able to visit your profile. Now, once you land on your profile page, you could just find the option. Right here, people can only contact you via messages, but there is no option to follow you here. So what you want to do is turn on the creator mode in order to be able to add the follow button instead of connect. So scroll down here, and then below analytics, you have activities, experience, education, skills. So you basically have to turn on the creator mode. Now you want to go over to resources over here and then click on about this profile. So you're able to manage different resources. If you click on enhance profile, you will be asked to pay for premium. But if you head over to resources here, you could go to send profile in a message, activity, and about this profile. If you click right over here, you should be able to send your profile link to other people, and they will be able to follow you. Now, LinkedIn has turned off the creator mode and introduced a new mode on your profile. So what you want to do is head over to your profile and go to settings. So let me just quickly head over to my settings over here. I can just click on the drop down, open up settings. Once you open your settings up, head over to visibility, and then from there scroll down. So under your visibility of your LinkedIn activity, head over to followers, and you can make your follow button primary on your account. So who can follow you? People will be able to follow you on LinkedIn, and after that they will ask you to connect. So that's how you can turn on the option over here. You can make your follow primary, and you should be able to find the follow button on your profile. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one.